So this is the 4th day in the hospital. 4th?
Mm-hmm.
To check with my wife. She always knows. And everything looks good except for hemoglobin. Hemoglobin was at 8 point.
0. 8.0.
Yeah, but what was it yesterday?
8.6.
8.6 yesterday, and it's 8.0 today. The surgeon says that that's not uncommon. He says that there's an assimilation process that it doesn't concern him a ton. We want to get me to use the bathroom, send me home, be more comfortable, and see how it goes. My pain overall's gotten better. I feel like I can walk a little longer, a little further. I do feel like the overall tolerance of all of it is improved, and so I haven't had a poop yet, so the old tried and true from my old videos, about to do that. We'll see how that goes. So here's to good outcomes. So I did end up going to the bathroom pretty good. All the stuff that I was on, which was milk with magnesia, the fiber one or whatever, the fiber drink. I had a suppository done the day before. I had magnesium citrate. Took that as well that you guys just saw. It ended up working, and I went to the bathroom quite a bit and unblocked, I guess, the majority of all of it. But still feeling, weak. Got a lot of recovery left to do. I did get to go home. I'm sitting at home now, but I'm very tired. My abdominal wall, the part of my muscle where my left and right of my abs, right there above my umbilicus, the surgeon came in and said that tissue was very bad, very poor tissue, and essentially said that it was shredded, and he had to grab larger chunks of it. And to do so, he had to put the mesh into it, and it's going to take the mesh settling into it will take a while. And so I have the binder on. I've showed you guys the binder before, but I'll show you again real quick. So I've got the binder on. It's going to stay on for probably 6 weeks at least. He said it needs to be on all the time unless I'm pooping or taking a shower. If I'm laying down, he didn't say pooping actually. I keep it on when I'm pooping. I just kind of loosen it up. He said laying down. If I'm laying down or taking a shower, I can take it off. But even laying down, I'm just loosening it. I'm not going to take it off because I can tell. I can feel when some of the tissue's not doing well, and I can tell that it's struggling. So I'm going to try to give it the best healing potential that it can possibly have. I'm trying to keep all of my coughs and my blow my nose and all that stuff to a minimum. Trying to figure out methods to do it. Maybe I'll post some videos on how to blow your nose the best whenever you've had this surgery, because I'm figuring out little cheat codes. But I'm mainly drinking liquids. I had some egg whites and some a little bit of a brownie. It's a black bean brownie, so it isn't horrible. And I've not eaten much, and I'm just tired. So back into a regimen of Tylenol, maybe oxycodone, maybe Valium. I don't know yet. We'll have to see where it goes. But this is Tuesday, and I had surgery Friday morning. So it's been a circus, and here's where we are at this point. Take care.